Dear learners, we are back again for continuing the study of Civil Procedure Code. I welcome you to your educational channel Learn and Educate. Yesterday, we learned a few definitions and section 1 about the short title, extent and commencement. Now, we will continue further with the few sections. So, in that case, section 2, clause 6, foreign judgment. Foreign judgment means a judgment given by foreign court of a foreign court. In that manner, Section 2, Clause 5 states about foreign court. Foreign court means a court situated outside India and not established by the authority of central government, or the court which is established or situated outside India and not continued under the authority of the central government. In that way, Section 2, Clause 6 defines foreign judgment as the judgment given by foreign court, and foreign court means a court which is situated outside India and not established or continued by the authority of central government. Further, Clause 2, Section 2, Clause 7, government leader includes any officer appointed by the state government to perform all or any of the functions expressly imposed by this code on the government leader can also any leader acting under the directions of the center of this government leader. Therefore, it includes any person who is acting upon the directions of the government leader, maybe his agent or authorized representative, and it is any officer who is appointed by the state government to perform all or any of the functions expressly imposed by the CPC on the government leader. To the clause section 2, clause 7a, high court. High court in relation to Andaman and Nicobar Islands means the high court in Calcutta. For high court in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it would be the high court of the Calcutta. Section 2, clause 7b, India. India means the following, but except in the clause 1, but except in section 21, section 29, section 43, section 45, section 78, section 79, section 82, section 83, and section 87. It means the territory of India, but excluding the state of Jammu and Kashmir. There are few exceptions given in section 1, section 29, section 43, section 44, section 78, section 79, section 82, section 83, and section 87, and it excludes the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now let us continue with the clause 7b. As mentioned in the clause 7b of section 2, India means the territory of India, but excluding the Jammu and Kashmir. Exclusion from the definitions of India pertains to the sections are as follows. Sections 29, service of foreign summons, means working on the foreign summons issued by foreign court, or execution is in the in other lands, etc., out of India. Section 43, execution of decrees passed by civil court in place to which Code of Civil Procedure 1908 do not apply, do not extend. Its extendment is not to the areas beyond India. Execution of those decrees passed by civil courts in place to which CPC do not extend. Section 44, execution of decrees passed by the revenue court in place to which CPC do not extend. The revenue courts to which the CPC does not apply. Section continuing with the same section 2, clause 78, India. In that respect, some exclusions have been defined where we will continue that. Section 28, 78. Section 78 means commissions issued by the foreign courts. In that way, the title given to the group of sections are suits by or against government or public officers in their official capacity. Section 79, suits by or against government. Section 82, execution of decrees. Other title is suits by aliens and by or against the foreign rulers, ambassadors, and envoys. Aliens means section 83, when aliens means you, when we were trading with other country, person's countrymen, but due to war with that country, the government has declared it to be a alien country. That is why it may be termed as dealing with those countries which it was allowed before that regulation rule notification, but because of the war or any other matter, are the central government declared that country as an alien country, and the people living there may be termed as aliens. Therefore, Section 83 states when aliens may sue. Section 87A, definition of foreign state and rural. As per that, section definitions given under section 87A are as follows. 87A includes foreign state, means any state outside India which has been recognized by the central government. When a recognition is provided by the central government to any particular state which is outside India, it would be termed as a foreign state. It is not a foreign country. The definition includes the term foreign state, and it is stated that means any state which is outside India which has been recognized by the central government. Section 87A clause B, ruler, in relation to a foreign state, means a person who is in for the time being recognized by the central government to be the head of that state. Means the person for the time being recognized by the central government as the head of that state is a ruler. So let us don't have a comparison between the foreign state. Foreign state as defined under section 87A means any state which is outside India which has been recognized by the central government, and the ruler of that has been recognized as the head of the state will be the ruler. In the same way, section 2 clause 6 defines foreign court, means the judgment, means it defines the foreign judgment. Section 2 clause 6 defines a foreign judgment, means the judgment of a foreign court. And previously in the last lecture we have learned the definition, section 2 clause 5, as the foreign court, which means a court situated outside India and not established or continued by the authority of the central government. Therefore, in this lecture today, we have understood foreign judgment, government pleader, high courts, defined under section 2 clause 7a, India clause 7b, and its further exclusions which have been as a section 29, service of summons, service of foreign summons, section 43, execution of decree passed by the court, civil court in place where CPC does not extend, section 44, execution of decrees passed by the revenue courts in place to which CPC do not extend, section 78, commissions issued by foreign court, section 79, under the heading suits by or against government or public officers in their official capacity, section 79 has a suits by or against the government, which if any person is filing in a suit or filing in a suit by the government against the government, or government has filed a suit, it will be governed by section 79. Section 82A, execution of decrees in this respect of suits by or against the government or public officers in their official capacity, and suits by aliens and by or against foreign ruler, ambassadors, and envoys. Envoys means in the previously in the Indian times, in the previous ethos, we know about we know about Rajdut, that is called as envoys, the messenger of the rulers. Thus, we end today. Tune in to the channel for further updates.